Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy ClickFunnels sales funnel step by step clearly. To deploy your ClickFunnels sales funnel, start by logging into your ClickFunnels account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Funnel tab in the dashboard. Click on the Build Funnel button to create a new funnel. Choose the type of funnel you want to create, such as a sales funnel, lead generation, or membership site. After selecting the funnel type, give your funnel a name that reflects its purpose. Click on the Build Funnel button to proceed. You will now see a list of steps your funnel will include. Click on Add New Step to create your first funnel step. Choose the type of page you need, such as a landing page or sales page. After selecting the page type, give it a name and then click on Create Funnel Step. You will be taken to the editor where you can customize your page. Use the drag and drop functionality to add elements like text, images, or videos. Once you've added your elements, customize their properties to fit your branding. After finishing your design, click on the Save button in the top right corner. Repeat the process for each additional step in your funnel. After creating all the necessary steps, navigate to the Settings tab. Here, set up your domain if you haven't done so already. You can also configure your tracking and integration settings in this section. Once your funnel is complete and settings adjusted, preview each step to ensure everything looks good. When you're satisfied with your funnel, click the Publish button to make it live. Congratulations, your ClickFunnels sales funnel is now deployed and ready for visitors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.